Well, unfortunately, not all marriages have a happy ending.
But there is a new push for dads to stay in their kids' lives. But many times, what you do before the divorce is final can make all the difference. We have details for you when we come back.
Divorce is never an easy thing, and when kids are involved, it just gets harder. According to Texas Vital Statistics, there were more than 125,000 divorce cases in Texas last year alone. Oftentimes, we hear about the mom getting custody of the kids, but one Dallas law firm is really helping fathers who are seeking legal custody of their kids. So joining us now is attorney Abby Gregory with Connatser. Did I get it?
Yes, Connatser family.
It's kind of a tongue twister there. And this is Brad Wenzel, who just went through a divorce, and you have 50-50 custody. So what do dads need to do? Because you're right, you always hear about the mom. The mom gets custody. What do they need to do before divorce to help their odds?
They need to do a few things. I would say the most important thing is don't move out of the house. You know, when tensions are high, everybody's instinct is to diffuse the tension, move out, dad gets an apartment, stays with friends. That is absolutely the worst thing you can do if your goal is to get 50-50 or even primary custody. At Connatser, we always say the primary parent never leaves the children.
I see. And you know, it's interesting. I was telling you, my husband does so much around the house. Do you feel like your relationship was 50-50, so therefore this fits?
Sure, absolutely. We, I spent a lot of time doing school activities, extracurricular activities, anything around the house, laundry, those kind of things, meal prep and all that. So, absolutely.
Okay, and so what is it that people need to look for in a lawyer, especially dads trying to get through and get the best advice? Because some lawyers are just out there to make a quick buck, and then others are trying to actually invest in their clients.
I think you need to communicate your goals to your lawyer and to make sure that they hear what your primary focus is at the end of the day. And I would meet with more than one to make sure that there's somebody that you really think is listening to you and is going to be working for your best interest.
Do you feel like fathers are getting custody more and more in Texas?
More and more in Texas, the shift is changing. I think the generational shift to dual parenting, like you said, where dads and moms are both working and they both pick up a lot of the parenting responsibilities, and they're both doing homework and carpool,
right,
and all of the parenting.
His life has just sped up so much. What was the hardest part about going through the divorce for you, trying to get custody, 50-50 custody?
Just trying to convince the courts that that we, as a dad, I am invested in my kid, and just trying to portray that to the court system and have them see that.
And also portraying that to your kids.
Absolutely.
How did you do this to make it work for the children as well? Because that is the ultimate concern here.
Charlie, I never changed what I was doing prior to and then post, and so I continue to attend everything. Be it an integral part of your kid's life, and so that's my focus.
Okay, number one, do not move out of the house and keep doing what you're doing right now so that you don't have those problems. Focus on your goals, keep a Why keep a calendar?
Keep a calendar because it can be hard to show the courts, all of the things that you do on a day-to-day basis. So it's an important tool when trying to demonstrate that you are a primary parent, that you are focused on your kids, and that you are a huge part of their life.
It's like evidence. Here is my file that I legitimately went to the soccer game and everything in between.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Well, congratulations on 50-50. I think that's probably great for your kids, and thank you, Abby. We appreciate your perspective.
Thank you for having us.